In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search specifically within a folder in Google Drive. If you've ever been overwhelmed by results from your entire drive, this quick method will save you time by narrowing your search to exactly the folder you want. First, log into Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. It's the long field with a magnifying glass icon that runs across the toolbar. Instead of typing right away, open the advanced search. You'll find a small filter icon or arrow at the far right end of the search bar. Click that to reveal the full set of search options. In the panel that opens, locate the field labeled Location. This controls where Drive will look for your files. Open the Location dropdown and choose More Locations. This option lets you target a specific folder rather than scanning all of My Drive or shared drives. A folder picker will appear. Browse to the folder you want to search in. You can expand My Drive, Shared Drives, or Shared with Me to find the right spot. If you have a lot of folders, scroll through the list or type part of the folder name in the picker to narrow it down. Select the folder when you see it. This tells Drive to limit results to that folder and in most cases include its subfolders too. Now add your search details. In the keywords box, type the words or phrase you're looking for. For an exact phrase, place it in quotes. For example, project timeline. If you're not sure of the exact words, keep it broad at first. You can also adjust the type dropdown to focus on a specific file type, like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, or folders. This is especially useful if you know you only need a document or a slide deck. Other filters in the panel, such as owner or last modified date, can further refine what you see without changing the steps. When everything looks right, click Search. Your results will now be limited to the folder you selected, making it much easier to spot the right file. If you don't find what you need, return to the advanced search, confirm the folder choice, tweak your keywords, or switch the file type to broaden or tighten the results. That's all there is to it. Log in, open advanced search, choose more locations, pick your folder, add keywords or set a file type, and click Search to get focused results fast.